Ed Bloodsworth with your First Alert Storm Team forecast.
And thankfully, driving around the region this afternoon has been quite a treat with all this sunshine. The only issue that we've been dealing with, if you'll notice the trees here from Dauphin Island Sea Lab, it's our Eastern Shore Toyota camera, they're kind of rustling around. Quite a bit of wind out there this afternoon coming in out of the north. Now, something I'm watching here, Grand Hotel at Point Clear, this is our GMC cam. We're starting to get a lot of these mid and high level clouds coming in off the Gulf of Mexico. And those clouds, I'm thinking, will be important in terms of whether or not we will actually get to a freeze tonight. I'll explain that in just a few minutes. Pensacola Beach, that's the view from our camera at the Portofino Resort, provided by the generator guys. You can see our camera jostling around a bit there thanks to the wind. So here's the setup for a possible freeze tonight. Big dip in the jet stream here. And there's the look at the upper level wind flow. This is what we call an upper level trough, and that typically drags in colder air from the north. That's exactly what's happening over the eastern half of the country. And this cold air mass is making it all the way down to the deep south and the Gulf Coast. We typically get at least one or two more freezes just prior to Easter. So looking ahead, 9 p.m. tonight, temperature right now we're projecting around 49, but if those clouds are able to hold on, then these temperatures would run a little bit warmer. By 7 a.m. tomorrow, around 36, much lighter wind expected as well. And then by 4 p.m. tomorrow, dry and mild. It's feeling very comfortable out in the sunshine tomorrow with temps in the 60s. Cool spot all day has been Grove Hill, now sitting at 58 degrees. It's 63 at Evergreen, 65 in Grand Bay and on Dauphin Island, right at 70 at Gulf Shores this afternoon. And we're sitting at 66 in Loxley. Fairhope, not too bad for you. You're at 64. Matching Lucedale, Mississippi. These are your current sustained winds. Right now they're sustained between 10 and 20 miles per hour. We've had some occasional gusts around 30 miles per hour today, but we will anticipate that these winds will slowly calm down and slowly relax the later we go into the night. And take a look at what that means for your temperatures here. So by 9 p.m. this is one of our forecast models showing temps in the 40s for most of the region, and then those numbers just to keep on dropping right around 2 o'clock in the morning, 30s and 40s, and then notice as those arrows kind of start disappearing, that will get us to a nearly calm wind. And if we get freezing temperatures, the most likely location would be our interior zones, and expecting middle 30s along I-10. Again, a lot of question marks regarding this cloud cover. If the clouds stick around, then the temperatures may not drop that low, but a freeze warning is in effect for tonight. Again, overall, northerly flow continues with high pressure and control. That'll lead to some very quiet weather over the next couple of days as we move you towards Tuesday, Wednesday, and then as we move you towards the end of the week, that's when the next rainmaker rolls in. Right now we've got about a 30% chance of showers for both Thursday and Friday.